Hi, I'm Emma Lane, your English trainer. Have you ever studied English for years but still freeze when you try to speak? You know every grammar rule, every word, yet when the moment comes, nothing comes out. Your mind goes blank, your tongue feels stuck, and your voice sounds awkward. Don't worry, you're not alone. Every learner faces this stage. The real problem isn't your grammar or vocabulary, it's how you use them. Today, we'll fix that together. You'll learn to speak naturally, just like native speakers do, without overthinking. Let's unlock your fluency starting right now. Here's the secret. Native speakers don't use difficult or fancy words. They speak with simple, natural phrases that flow easily in real conversations. That's why learning endless vocabulary lists doesn't make you fluent. You need to focus on the words people actually use every day. In this lesson, we'll train your ear and tongue through the hear a sentence, say a sentence method. Just listen and repeat, no translation, no hesitation. It's how you start thinking in English naturally, the same way children learn their first language. Welcome to day 4 of our 30-day challenge, asking and giving directions. Imagine you're lost in a new city, but suddenly your mind goes blank when someone speaks to you. That ends today. In just 10 minutes, you'll master 30 powerful direction phrases used by native speakers every day. No more awkward silence, no more translating in your head. You'll learn how to ask for help and how to guide others naturally, fluently, and confidently. Ready to speak English that flows? Let's start shadowing together and bring your English to life one sentence at a time. Now it's time to speak up. In this part, you'll learn how to ask for directions naturally and clearly, just like a confident traveler. We'll begin with essential questions. Excuse me, where is the bank? Could you tell me where the hospital is? Is there a pharmacy around here? Where can I find a good restaurant? Do you know where the train station is? Is the post office near here? Where's the nearest ATM? Can you help me find the library? Is there a gas station nearby? Where is the shopping mall? Great start. You just practiced 10 real-life questions. Every traveler needs these phrases. Now, let's level up. It's time to ask for clear directions when you're lost. How do I get to the airport? What's the best way to downtown? Can you show me the way to the museum? How far is it from here? Which direction should I go? Is it walking distance? How long does it take to get there? Do I need to take a bus? Each question helps you sound polite, curious, and fluent. The secret is shadowing repeat immediately after me, without pausing or thinking. Let your mouth and brain work together until it becomes automatic. The more you repeat, the faster your fluency grows. Imagine walking in a foreign city and asking for directions smoothly. No fear, no hesitation, just natural English flowing out. Remember, communication isn't about perfect grammar, it's about connection. So, listen closely, copy the rhythm, and let's build your confidence one phrase at a time. Now, let's switch roles. You're no longer the lost traveler. You're the friendly local giving directions. In this section, you'll master 12 essential phrases that make you sound clear, natural, and helpful. You'll learn how to guide someone with expressions like, go straight ahead for 2 blocks. Turn left at the traffic light. Take the second right. It's on your left-hand side. Walk past the coffee shop. Cross the street at the crosswalk. It's next to the big red building. You can't miss it. It's about a 5-minute walk. Keep going until you see the park. Turn right after the bank. It's across from the school. These short, direct phrases are what real native speakers use every day. The key is tone and confidence. Speak warmly, with a natural rhythm, as if you're helping a friend. The more you practice, the more automatic it becomes. Soon, you'll be able to explain directions easily, without thinking or translating. Let's train your mouth, your ear, and your confidence. Because speaking English is not just about knowing words, it's about making people understand you. Now comes the fun part, real conversation practice. This is where everything you've learned comes alive. In this section, you'll use all 30 direction phrases in real-life dialogue, shadowing every line to train your ears, your mouth, and your reflexes. First, I'll play the role of the tourist, and you'll be the helpful local. Ready? Let's start. Excuse me, where is the train station? Go straight for 2 blocks. How far is it from here? It's about a 5-minute walk. Is there a good restaurant near here? Yes. Turn left at the traffic light. Walk past the coffee shop. It's on your left side. How long does it take to get there? Only 2 minutes, you can't miss it. Thank you very much for your help. Oh, you're welcome. Have a nice day. Great work. Now let's change roles. As you practice, pay attention to pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Notice how short, simple phrases carry clear meaning. You're not just memorizing sentences, you're training your speaking muscles to respond automatically. The more you repeat, the more confident you'll sound. Once you finish the first round, we'll switch roles. This time, you'll be the tourist asking for directions, and I'll answer as the local. You'll shadow every line immediately after hearing it. No pausing, no thinking, just pure, natural repetition. This technique rewires your brain to think in English instead of translating from your native language. Let's start again. Excuse me, where is the train station? Go straight for 2 blocks. How far is it from here? It's about a 5-minute walk. Is there a good restaurant near here? Yes. Turn left at the traffic light. Walk past the coffee shop. Ein. It's on your left side. How long does it take to get there? Only 2 minutes. You can't miss it. Thank you very much for your help. You're welcome. Have a nice day. By the end of this part, you'll be able to handle any lost in the city situation with ease. Whether it's asking for a bus stop, a cafe, or a museum, you'll know exactly what to say and how to say it fluently, politely, and naturally. Remember, don't whisper, don't mumble, speak out loud and own your English voice. Congratulations! You've just mastered 30 powerful direction phrases and practiced them in real conversations. That's not a small achievement, it's a huge step toward fluency. Remember, confidence grows through repetition. Go back, replay the dialogue, and speak it out loud until it feels natural. Every word you say brings you closer to thinking in English. Don't stop now, keep shadowing every day. Tomorrow, we'll move to day 5 with another essential skill to boost your confidence even more. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the English Listening Podcast 365, and comment below with one phrase you'll use this week. You're doing amazing. Keep going.